Hi, welcome to the project RFID based toll collection system. Here in this project, user has to show the RFID card to the RFID reader. So this is the RFID reader and this is the RFID card. Whenever the system detects any RFID card, then microcontroller checks if the card is valid or not. If the card is valid, then the microcontroller will check if that card has sufficient balance or not. If it has sufficient balance, then the gate will open. To show the demonstration of the gate, we have used this DC motor. Once the gate has opened, then the microcontroller will detect this signal from this IR sensor. This is to show the demonstration that the car has passed from the toll plaza and then the gate can be closed. Also, we have provided this buzzer which will be turned on if the card has insufficient balance or any invalid card is shown. And this is the keypad which is used for various modes. Now I will show you the demonstration. First, user has to press this key. Then the LCD shows the message as entered into RFID mode. Please show the card. Now I have shown the card. The LCD displays that the valid card is shown and it will display the previous balance as 50. Since the balance is sufficient, that means in this project for demonstration purpose we have kept the toll amount as 50. Since the balance is sufficient, the gate has opened. Now you can just move your hand in front of the IR sensor to show the demo that the vehicle has passed. Since the vehicle has passed from the toll plaza, it will close the gate. Now suppose user again comes to the toll plaza and shows the same card which has zero balance. Then system will turn on the buzzer. I will show you the demo. I will show the same card again. The LCD displays the message as valid card and the balance is zero and insufficient balance. The buzzer is turned on. Now I will show you the demonstration of invalid card. Suppose user has pressed RFID mode button and he has shown this card which is not entered into the microcontroller program. Then the LCD will display the message as invalid card and the buzzer is turned on. Now in case any user comes which doesn't have the RFID card and he don't want the RFID system, so the user can press manual mode. That means the government authority person will press this button. The system shows that please pay the toll amount. Now again user has to press this button to indicate that the person has paid the toll and the gate will open. Now again you can show the demo of vehicle crossing by moving your hand. So this was the demonstration of manual mode. Now I will show you the demo of the recharge mode. So to enter into recharge mode, user has to press the second number button. The LCD displays the message as entered into recharge mode. Please show the card. Now user has to show the card which he has to recharge. The LCD displays message as previous balance and it shows the message as select the recharge amount. Now user can increment or decrement the amount and once he has confirmed, he can press the enter key. Now system will show the message as RFID card is recharged. So that's all about the demonstration of the project RFID based toll collection system. Thank you.